So for today, I'll be showing you how to install FlexVision on your Roku TV. So FlexVision is an online video streaming app that features the latest content with top-notch streaming quality. So for FlexVision for your TV FlexVision app is only available for Android platforms. So unless you don't have a TV that supports it, you can load an Android app and it's nearly impossible to run it on a smart TV. So method 1 to download FlexVision for your smart TV is use the third-party file manager called Downloader by AFT News. And let's see how to install FlexVision using the Downloader app on the TV. So open the Google Play on your smart TV and then enter Downloader and select the Downloader by AFT News app. Click install and then open it to run the Downloader app. You will have to open and then enter the FlexVision APK file address, which is this URL. And then once the Flex APK is downloaded, an installation page will appear and then click on Install option. Now, select Install from the bottom. As the installation completes, you can then open the app directly from there or your app's library. Also, make sure to turn on the Install Unknown Apps for the FlexVision app, and you can do this by going to Settings. From there, select the security restriction option and now, in the unknown sources, find the FlexVision app and enable it. And that's how you install FlexVision on your Roku TV.